Aloha, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, May 19th. We want to start by congratulating all of our graduates in the class of 2022. We are so proud of you, and we can't wait to see how you will change the world. With safety measures in place, we are pleased that the Department of Education was able to return to in-person graduation ceremonies. But as we continue to say, we must be mindful of our health and safety and the health and safety of those around us. Please use good judgment and wear a high quality, well fitting mask when in crowded settings. And please stay home if you are sick. And of course, getting vaccinated and boosted is the most effective way to prevent severe illness. For a list of clinics and pharmacies offering the COVID vaccine, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Our case count on Kauai remains elevated. Our 7-day case average is now 63 cases a day, up from 48 last week. The actual number of cases is likely much higher due to the use of home tests that aren't included in these figures. Our test positivity rate is now 23%, up from 20% last week. This week, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control declared that the COVID-19 community spread level in Kauai County is now in the high range. The CDC recommends that when the community level is high, masks should be worn indoors in public places. Again, use your best judgment when it comes to the safety of yourself and your family members. We're also saddened to report a COVID-related death that occurred earlier this week. The male resident was in his 90s and had been hospitalized. Our condolences go out to his family and loved ones. The Kauai District Health Office has over a dozen active clusters under investigation. Most of these are workplace clusters resulting from close contact among staff who are not wearing masks and not social distancing, started by an employee who goes to work while sick. We also have several clusters in school-age kids, many of which appear to have had in-school transmission. Please help to protect our keiki and kupuna. If you or your child have symptoms, please stay home and get tested. If you do test positive, contact your primary care provider as soon as possible and ask if they recommend any COVID treatments that require a prescription. Remember, free testing at the War Memorial Convention Hall is open every weekday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. The mobile testing van is open Wednesday through Sunday at neighborhood centers around the island. The full schedule is posted at kauai.gov/COVID test. You can also order free home test kits from the federal government. They recently announced that every household is eligible for a third order of free home tests. So even if you've signed up twice, you can now get a third set. Visit covidtest.gov to get the free test kits mailed to your address. This week is National EMS Week, and we are proud to honor all members of emergency medical services who provide life-saving care to those in need 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This year's theme, Rising to the Challenge, reminds us of what our EMS personnel must face on a daily basis and all that they have accomplished through hours of specialized training and continued education in order to better serve and protect our community. We thank all who work on our medical front lines for being our everyday heroes and continuing to provide quality care for us all. We also honor our police officers this week as we recognize National Police Week from May 15th to the 21st here on Kauai. During National Police Week, communities across the U.S. honor and remember those law enforcement officers who made the ultimate sacrifice and the family members, friends, and fellow officers they left behind. On behalf of the County of Kauai, we offer the utmost respect, gratitude, and warmest aloha to the survivors and families of our fallen heroes. Although the unemployment rate is declining, many businesses and establishments are finding themselves shorthanded. You may have noticed some of your favorite stores and restaurants have shortened their hours. This is mainly due to staffing shortages. So, if you're searching for a new work opportunity, don't forget to head over to the Kauai Philippine Cultural Center in Puhi on Friday, May 27th for a job fair from 3 to 6 p.m. The job fair is a collaborative effort between the County of Kauai, Kauai Economic Development Board, Kauai Filipino Chamber of Commerce, American Job Center Kauai, Pacific Missile Range Facility MWR, and the State of Hawaii Workforce Development Division. Businesses representing a variety of industries on Kauai will offer an assortment of employment opportunities. Job seekers will be given an opportunity to make a great first impression, learn about potential employers, qualifications, and meet staff who can answer their employment questions. Employers interested in participating or anyone seeking more information may visit www.kedb.com/job fair or contact Jackie Kaina at 808-245-6692. This year has been a great one for Kauai sports as once again we celebrate another amazing victory. Congratulations to the Kapa'a High School softball team on bringing home the Division II state championship last weekend. In the first ever all-Kauai final in any Hawaii High School Athletic Association sport, both Kapa'a Warriors and Waimea Menehune represented Kauai with honor and aloha. We are so proud of both teams for working so hard this season and bringing home these amazing victories. In honor of our state champs, the County of Kauai's Moikeha Rotunda has been illuminated in green lights this week. Imua Warriors. And speaking of lights, starting this Friday, we will add more colors to the rotunda, lighting the building in green, red, and blue lights through the weekend in honor of our graduating high school seniors across the island. Graduation is such a special time for our students, families, and our community. And this year, especially, it hits home for my family as we celebrate our daughter, Haley. As a parent, it's hard to see our child grow up and leave the nest. We could not be prouder, and we are looking forward to the next chapter ahead. Congratulations to all of our high school seniors, along with their parents and ohana, for this huge accomplishment. Please enjoy this special time, drive carefully on our roads, and celebrate safely together. Mahalo, Kauai, take care, and aloha.